What's up, YouTube? We are back with another mukbang, baby.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh yeah. So tell them what we're having.
I'm excited.
You're always excited.
Guys, y'all see the Popeyes in the front? Man, Popeyes came out with some chicken nuggets. Yo, Popeyes stepping it up. You know what I mean? They took over the chicken sandwich game. Now Popeyes is trying to take over the chicken nuggets game.
You know, honey, you are always so extra excited when we're trying new food.
And you are always trying to play me. Ha 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 ha. Guys, you know, comment below who's your favorite fast food chicken nuggets, because I'm picking Chick-fil-A. Right now, Chick-fil-A is number one in my book.
Yeah, it's the best.
Your book too?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I don't like McDonald's nuggets. I think Wendy's. I got Wendy's as number 2. Chick-fil-A number 1. Wendy's number 2.
So, do you like Wendy's spicy or regular nuggets?
Regular. I don't like that spicy. Spicy tastes fake.
Oh.
Yeah, I like Chick-fil-A's nuggets. Wendy's regular nuggets. That's it. McDonald's tastes fake. The spicy at Wendy's tastes fake, and Burger King is not chicken.
That is not chicken.
That is not chicken. $1.49 for 10 is not chicken. I think that is horse meat. Guys, yo, but without further ado, yo, let's open up these Popeye's chicken nuggets. Did you guys have it yet? Because I don't even think it came out.
Let us know if you did have it, if you like it. What is your favorite chicken nugget spot?
Yo, let's get this thumbnail. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yo, let's go. We gotta say grace. We didn't even tell them before we say grace, guys. So we got a 24-piece nuggets. It was like $10.99. It came with 4 sauces, but they gypped us on a sauce. So you know we're gonna take off a point because they only sent us 3 sauces. But we had this blue cheese sauce in the crib. So we pull out the blue cheese. We got 2 sweet heat because that's the best sauce in Popeyes. We got a ranch, and the other one we ordered was buffalo, but they didn't send that. So they lost the point for that.
Shame on them.
You want to tell them what we got on the side in the big bowls?
Absolutely. So we have some Smackalicious sauce, right? So we have spicy, and we have garlic. Oh, I like how you point that down.
Guys, did you guys try B-Love's new Smackalicious sauce? That's that garlic. We like the spicy. We just got the garlic. So we decided, bring them both out. Let's go. Nuggets and Smackalicious? Who would have knew? So let's say grace, and then we're going to dig in and tell you how Popeye's nuggets are doing. Is it bussin' or is it a fail? You ready? Grace, let's eat. Woo!
Oh God.
I'm gonna try the chicken first. I'm gonna try the chicken first.
I'm praying for you.
With nothing on it.
I'm praying for you. You are the worst.
Ooh.
How you? First of all, how?
Ooh.
I was still praying, and you're not even waiting for me.
Oh. This is good. Yo,
You're like Fatty McStuffins. You didn't even wait for me. We didn't even cheers on our nuggets. Nothing.
You ever got hit with a chicken nugget?
Nothing. You wouldn't even waste food like that. Because it's you.
I would hit you with a chicken nugget.
You wouldn't.
You know
Or maybe a bone. But I ain't got no bone in it.
I would hit you with a chicken nugget.
Bro. I can't believe you.
Mmm. I wish they had like a spicy version though.
Like the sandwich, they should have did a spicy and a mild. Popeyes.
Yeah, there was no spicy version. It was
should
just
have did a spicy and a mild.
When we ordered it, it was just nuggets. No spicy, no mild, just nuggets.
It is tender though. I would say that. It's nice and soft.
It's flavorful.
Yeah, it's really good.
I like it. It's like, oh, let me show y'all.
You see what I'm saying? Y'all see what I said?
What are you saying? That you about to get hit with a nugget?
I'm talking to Chef and Chefettes.
Oh, okay.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, good. I hope not.
I'm not talking to you.
I hope
you're getting my nerves.
I hope you're not talking to me.
See that? I tuned you out. So whatever you say.
See that? I tuned you out too.
Why are you so annoying, yo?
Let me try this chicken nugget in blue cheese. I'm gonna open up the sweet heat. Yo, this nugget is banging.
Can I smell that?
You want to smell?
That sauce. Ooh.
You want to smell it?
Don't
Right?
let my Brooklyn come out.
Brooklyn? You from Brooklyn?
Yeah.
I thought you was from Burbies. I made a mess. I thought you was some Seawall.
Don't worry. Why
Ooh.
you always telling my business?
Man, I thought you was Guyanese. Brooklyn?
Sweet heat is pretty good.
That's the
I don't
best
think I've
sauce.
ever had that.
What?
Mm-mm.
I
I always get buffalo.
Yeah, I ordered that, but they didn't sign up.
That was pretty. This is sweet heat is pretty good.
To me, sweet heat is their best sauce.
Wow. This is like very brand new to me.
Yeah, these nuggets is busting. Popeye's about to change the game.
I don't know about that.
You know what I like from Popeyes that they don't have no more? Is that dirty rice. It's the rice with the ground meat.
I never had that.
They don't even have it no more. Every time I go, I look on the menu. I used to love, they call it Cajun rice. I said dirty rice, my bad. Popeye's Cajun rice used to be banging. It's not even on the menu.
I normally just get fries. I never had anything else.
So now I'm trying their ranch sauce. Let me try this.
You like that?
It's good.
It's good? There's like, you know what? There's not really any small pieces in here.
Yo, Popeye is about to change the game. Oh, we didn't even try Bloveslifesmackalicioussauce yet. We may not even have to, because Popeye's is changing. What is it? Buttermilk ranch.
That's pretty good.
Popeye's is changing the game. Yo, look at the size of these nuggets. They're crispy.
Yeah.
They're flavorful.
They look like chicken strips. They just big. You know what I mean?
Yo, they changing.
You know, like if you go to Wendy's and stuff, chicken nuggets are little. These are huge.
These are game changers. These nuggets are game changers.
Nah.
They are. Yo, I ain't never had nuggets like this. Is not.
Let me put this in Beloved sauce.
It's not a nugget.
Listen, let me try it in Beloved sauce over here.
Garlic. Let me know how it is.
Let me do it first. Garlic. It's good.
It's good.
Mhm.
Yo, it's good by itself. So I can imagine in Beloved sauce.
But that sweet heat though is good. I never had that.
I'm gonna do a double dip. Ranch, sweet heat.
You gonna fuck it up.
Ooh,
Ooh! My bad.
ooh.
Oh,
What language?
sorry.
That's crazy.
Let me open my own sweet heat. That's not contaminated.
What?
Oh my god.
I can't believe you cussing steak.
My bad. My
You
bad.
cussing like a sailor.
Sorry. You don't put ranch in the sweet heat. You didn't even say, hey babe.
Don't worry about me.
Hey babe. It's alright if I do, I just do kakalele.
I gotta ask your permission to do caca.
Maybe I didn't want ranch in my sweet heat.
Do we eat it?
You selfish, you know.
I know. That's my middle name.
And greedy.
That is my other middle name.
Oh!
Yo, let me try this nugget in this Beloved Spicy Smackalicious because it's going down. My middle name is Selfish Greedy the Third. That's 2.
And you know what? I'm putting
That's number 2.
My non-contaminated sweet heat over here. Keeping it away from stretch kitty because you know heat.
Yo, Beloved Smackalicious take everything to the next level.
Was it better than the sweet heat? Was it chicken?
You gone too far.
Ooh.
You gone too far. You're not better than Sweet Heat.
Your sweet heat is
Oh
good.
damn! I lost
mine in here. Let me get it for you. Don't worry. Leave it there. Leave it right there.
Nah, I'm
gonna get it for you.
I can swim.
Oh, you see? Oh, damn.
I can swim. I find it.
You can swim.
Yeah, I find it.
Bro, you would drown.
Cause I'm black.
No, because you can't swim.
I can swim.
No, you can float.
I can swim.
You can't float either.
I can swim.
I can't stand you.
What are you trying to play me? I can swim. Yo, these nuggets is 10. These nuggets are a 10. Yo, guys, get yourself these Popeyes nuggets. I like it in the spicy. And I'm gonna try and go up. Matter of fact, let me just leave him in there for a little bit.
You counting or something? Don't worry with me.
I'm thinking.
Don't worry with me. Who that sound like, Chef and Chefette?
I'm thinking.
Don't worry what I do.
No,
Who that sound like?
I'm thinking.
What you thinking about?
How I can get rid of you and hire somebody new.
You can't. You can't forever. Forever. Forever, ever. Forever, ever. You like that? Yo, I should be a rapper. Yo. Let me eat my food and let me think of a new some bars.
I'm not a fan of it in the garlic. I'm a fan of it in the spicy. I'm gonna just let him.
I like it the best in sweet heat.
I'm gonna leave him in there for a little bit. You gotta marinate.
Let me help him not drown.
Don't touch my chicken. What do you think about the nuggets? I'm getting these nuggets a 10.
Yeah, they're a 10. They flavor. We don't even need any sauces, to be honest.
You don't.
They're so good.
You don't.
They soft.
You
they
do.
flavorful. Oh my god.
You don't need no sauces with these nuggets.
What I like is that the meat inside has flavor. It's not like a dry.
It's seasoned like a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, it really is. It's so good.
It's like they take the chicken sandwich and cut it up in little chunks.
Yep.
You don't need nothing. Popeye's taking over. KFC, you need some nuggets.
I don't even go to KFC.
I like KFC's original recipe.
It's too greasy for me.
I like it. That's the whole point.
Oh, okay. You need to eat your own. Good?
What about?
Like,
Oh, I forgot I got something swimming in there.
oh, I'm not good for you. I'm gonna get a fishing rod. If it looks so cute, I'll be dead.
Keep playing, anime.
I'll be dead.
Keep playing with
Yeah,
me.
he be looking at me, Chef and Chefette.
Keep playing with me, anime. Let me get my chicken nugget out the sauce. You drowning. Look at him, drenched. Look at that.
Bro. Why you gotta look at me like that though?
Yes, madam.
Yo, you guys need a partner or a cameraman.
Why, you looking for a new job?
Chef
I
Trudy. I said man, not woman.
I think you're looking for a new job. She's looking for a new job, guys.
I'm not, but if you guys
help Chef Sam find a new job.
Nah, good. I'm good.
Yo,
I really like the sweet heat.
I like the ranch. Ooh. That buttermilk ranch is good.
I can't. You want to know why I never had the sweet heat? To be honest, let me tell you why.
Lost it.
Because in New York, they give you sauces, right? Let's say you get every other sauce after is like 25 cents or 35 cents, right?
Yeah, they charge us for any additional sauces.
And you know what I said to them? I'm really gonna use them. I'm not gonna waste it. That's what I say to them. Can I just get another sauce? Ma'am, that'll be.
Yo, these nuggets. Oh, did you try the sour the blue cheese?
Is it good?
Ranch is better.
Okay. I'll take your word for it. That was delicious. I'm getting full.
Yeah, they are full of. Might have MSG in there.
Maybe. So, question: does this box come in different sizes? Because you said this is 20.
That's 20. I got 24 piece.
24 piece. Okay.
I think I saw they have different. Yeah, there's more. There's a 10 piece.
Okay.
On the app. I went on the app. I ordered it, and they brought it to me.
You guys, the 10 piece, no lie, is gonna be a snack. Get you the 24.
It's only $10. Well, in New York, it's only $10.
Which is not bad. Not a bad price at all.
I'm full too, but.
And they're not little. Y'all can see it's not little baby chicken nuggets. You know what I mean? Like, it's good.
It's good. Guys,
I'll get this again.
Get you the Popeyes chicken nuggets. It's worth it.
Absolutely.
And while you at it, get you some of
Love.
Smackalicious sauces.
Oh yeah.
I ain't got nothing else to say. You?
No.
Yo, that's it, guys. We hope you like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share it out.
Absolutely.
And we are out.